As a woman that loves to entertain at home and keep the food nice, tasty and simple, I am here today to talk to you about these clay dishes. So my name is Shal from Shop with Shal. Stay till the end because I'm actually going to show you some recipes I have used these for and also a top tip for getting them dry. So these are clay, or also known as tapas dishes. I have these a few years now. I absolutely love the fact that they are small and that you can bake in them, that can go in the oven. You can actually use them hot or cold, and great for tapas. So for like smaller dishes, appetizers, things like that. They're also great for making small bakes in. You want to do like a chicken and broccoli bake, a smaller lasagna, things like that. They are so handy for entertaining because you literally just fill them up and leave them out. Anything hot in them, if you have them in the oven, they will keep the dishes warmer for longer as well, which is great if people are chatting and talking and having the banter while eating your meals. So a top tip for cleaning these is when you wash them, so they are very durable, you can pop them into the dishwasher. I prefer to wash them myself, hand wash them. And when you are going to dry them, pop them into a low oven. So if you're finished using your oven, pop them in the bottom of the oven and they will dry. So that way they will dry evenly. And here's some recipes. So prawns and chorizo. I also use to make a Lebanese dish. Look at this. It's great for anything baked, like a goat cheese. I use it for shepherd's pie as well, guys. These are so versatile. Here is some beef, taco beef. And also for salads, there's a quinoa salad and here is a tuna salad. As you can see, I love them.